When pressures of life get to me, and I'm having a difficult time, I go back to nature and disappear to my wonderful secret log cabin. I can breathe the clean air and the scent of fresh logs in the tranquil, lush setting, right where I find my roots. You can get close to nature every day with the soft outline and airy accommodation afforded by a genuine log house, and the pleasant shapes of a log house create a harmonious and calming atmosphere. Oulu's Honkamajat Finland Limited manufactures world-famous Honkamajat log houses. Honkamajat log houses have been manufactured on this site in Oulu for 35 years. As a result, the company has gained much experience in building houses and cabins of all shapes and sizes. Honkamajat products are well known for their excellent quality, which is based on dense Nordic timber, good raw materials, and dependable cooperative partners. We encourage traditional woodcraft and teach even our newest employees woodworking skills. Sophisticated processing and special production techniques have been introduced to complement handcrafting in both the design and industrial production. We have a computerized CAD department which produces detailed plans for our production lines to follow. The Honkamajat plant is able to perform all stages of timber processing from the time-consuming preparatory work to the finished products. The company's own sawmill ensures the supply of suitable timber at all times. We dry the timber ourselves, then cut it into square, round, and laminated logs. The logs are notched accurately by a machine to ensure an exact fit. The parts are marked and assembled one wall at a time to ensure that all the parts fit and nothing is missing. Our production acknowledges the importance of environmental issues. We utilize the processed timber completely. The surplus bark from the logs goes towards improving the soil in gardens and parks. The surface layer of the logs are cut into chips, which go to the paper industry and are used as raw material for pulp. The sawdust generated by chiseling the timber is used as fuel by a power plant, and the small end bits of logs are burned to heat our own drying room and factory. Sawdust is also sold as fuel to private householders. Approximately 90% of our production is exported. Our major export countries are Japan, France, Germany, Greece, Sweden, Norway, Spain, and Ireland. Our selection of houses is versatile. The log houses are light and spacious, thanks to large living rooms, lofts, separate bedrooms, and functional planning solutions. The houses come with many different types of facade. Among them are both single and multi-story models. Our specialty are houses built on a slope, which allow for variations in landscape. Today's clients expect their leisure accommodation to be of the same high quality as their main residence. The houses second floor provides living accommodation and handy bedroom space. All the log house types are versatile thanks to their solid log structure. The rooms can be used for any purpose, and the adaptable room heights and extensive functionality allow for individual building solutions. Our main products are residential and leisure housing, but Honkamajat also caters for large-scale projects such as hotels and restaurants. The log house is probably the most ecological of all the housing types. The unique properties of log walls provide the structure with insulation, yet retain its freshness and natural ventilation. The strength of the structure allows plenty of freedom for planners. Due to their strength, log houses are also recommended for use in earthquake-prone areas. The structure is safe for inhabitants, with the houses withstanding even powerful earthquakes. The log house is pleasant to live in. In hot climates, this type of house feels cool, and in cold climates, it remains nice and warm. The pine logs of northern Finland are famous, among other things, for their freshness and naturalness. The traditional alternatives, square and round log, are easily distinguishable. Our most refined log variety is the laminated log, which is glued timber and virtually unbreakable. The insulation properties of log houses are top class. This is guaranteed by a unique, trademarked log insulation system. Log houses are mostly supplied to customers in a single delivery of a complete set, which includes windows and doors with fittings. The windows and doors come from Profine Limited, who offers the most complete selection of windows in Finland. The products are manufactured from Nordic dense, slow-growing pine according to the importing country's standards. Wooden sliding doors and windows are available by special request. Staircases are manufactured by Lapiporras Limited. The staircases of each log building are made to measure and intended to fit exactly. The precise workmanship and finish ensure that they become part of the fixtures and fittings of a cabin and something to be proud of. The contents of a delivery varies according to the customer's wishes, from a log frame to a complete set. Containers are an economical and effective means of transportation. A container is packed carefully to prevent the contents from moving about during shipping. The glazed window and door elements are also packed carefully. The detailed, easy-to-understand assembly instructions permit independent construction of each house using the numbered logs supplied. It is also possible to receive professional assembly help from representatives of Honkamajat if required. A well-designed and constructed log building lasts for several generations.